Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Tarpan Shah. Today we are diving into the most exciting and innovative advancement in physiotherapy. From artificial intelligence to smart wearables, these breakthroughs are revolutionizing the rehabilitation and patient care. So if you are a physiotherapy student, clinician or just curious about the future of healthcare, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more physiotherapy insight. So let's see the topic. Number 1, artificial intelligence in physiotherapy. So AI is transforming the physiotherapy by improving the movement analysis and rehabilitation planning. AI powered motion analysis tool is enhancing the movement assessment. Virtual therapists and chatbots providing the home-based rehab guidelines. Machine learning is helping to predict the recovery pattern and personalizes the treatment plans. This means more accurate diagnosis and better treatment outcomes for the patient. Number 2, robotics and exoskeletons. Imagine wearing a robotic suit that helps you to walk again after an injury. Wearable exoskeletons assist the patient in regaining mobility. Robotic assisted therapy ensures the precise rehabilitation movement, and this innovation increase the independence and accelerate the recovery. Number 3, virtual and augmented reality in rehabilitation. VR and AR are making the rehabilitation more engaging and effective. VR-based rehabilitation offers immense exercise for motor function improvement, and AR overlays help therapists to guide more corrective movement. So from stroke rehab to pain management, VR and AR are game changers in physiotherapy. Number 4, 3D printing for customized orthotics. What if we could 3D print personalized prosthetics and braces? So custom made orthoses and prosthetics improve patient comfort. 3D printed splints and braces reduce the production time and cost. This means better mobility solution tailored to each patient needs. Number 5, Tele-Rehabilitation and Mobile Health, M-Health. Physiotherapy is now accessible from anywhere through the tele-rehabilitation. Video consultations allow the remote physiotherapy sessions. Mobile apps help with the posture correction, exercise tracking and reminders. So this makes the physiotherapy more accessible, convenient and effective. Number 6, smart wearables and biosensors. Wearable technology is giving real-time insight into the rehabilitation. Smart insoles and motion trackers monitor the gait and posture. EMG sensors track the muscle activation during the exercises, and these tools ensure the precision in treatment and self-monitoring for patient. Number 7, personalized genomic physiotherapy. Genetics is now playing a role in physiotherapy. Genetic profiling customizes physiotherapy intervention, predicts susceptibility to musculoskeletal disorders. This means the precision rehabilitation tailored to individual needs. Number 8, Hydrotherapy Innovations. Water therapy is evolving with new technology. Anti-gravity treadmills in water is reducing the joint stress. AI controlled hydrotherapy pool adjusts the resistance dynamically, perfect for post-surgical and chronic pain rehabilitation. Number 9, electrical stimulation and neuromodulation. Electricity is being used to help regain the movement. Functional electrical stimulation helps to restore the mobility. Transcranial magnetic stimulation (TMS) aids in neurological rehabilitation, ideal for stroke, spinal cord injury and pain management. Let's see number 10. Brain Computer Interface (BCI) for stroke rehab. Mind controlled devices are the future of physiotherapy. BCI powered exoskeletons help stroke patient to regain the motor control, and neurofeedback therapy trains the brain for the better movement coordination. This is a revolutionary step in neurorehabilitation. Physiotherapy is evolving like never before. AI Robotics, VR, AR, and wearables are transforming the patient care. These innovations make the treatment more precise, accessible, and effective. So if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more updates on physiotherapy advancement. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Thank you.